Hey, Assalamu alaikum. Let's understand about the coenzyme coQ10, which that basically decline with the age. So with the passage of time, with the age wise, so the coenzyme coQ10 will be decreased. So here is the notes. We will understand through the notes how it is possible and why the coenzyme coQ10 is too much important. We will also understand about that. So the coenzyme coQ10 is coenzyme which that work for the electron transport chain as a mobile protein which that transport electron from one complex to the another complex, and in this way the ubiquinone will convert into the ubiquinol and oxidized form, and in this the electron basically reduced to oxidize. So in this way basically the provide the electron to the electron transport chain, the moving of the electron, and in this is the production of ATP. So the major mechanism is the production of ATP and the prevention of the oxidative stress. Whenever the coenzyme coQ10 will decline, will lead to more reactive oxygen species, free radical, and leakage of the electron from the electron transport chain from the mitochondria. But on the other hand, the less production of ATP will lead to decrease the metabolism of your body, while the muscle contraction and relaxation will not possible, and muscle fatigue, tiredness, and all the day dizziness, anxiety, depression can be possible. The coenzyme coQ10 is very important for the mitochondria to production of the ATP. Let's understand about the natural decline after age 30. So here is the graph which that shows. So the maximize this coenzyme coQ10, which that basically in the electron transport chain with the 20 age, which can be a 95%. You should not need to consume the coenzyme coQ10 as a supplementation during the 20 to 30 age. While the important thing you should need to understand, with the passage of time 50 to 80, you should consume the coenzyme coQ10, because with the passage of time whenever you will be age, so you should consume the coenzyme coQ10 or you should concern with the diet. So the natural decline after age 30, while the mitochondrial function automatically decrease due to the decline of the coenzyme coQ10. So in this is the medication like the statin, beta blocker, antidepressant, which that is responsible for the decrease of the coenzyme coQ10. On the other hand, the lifestyle factor can be a smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, poor diet, low antioxidant intake, and the sedentary lifestyle. So with the consumption of the coenzyme coQ10 and the maintenance of the coenzyme coQ10 due to the antioxidant consumption, while also the vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acid is important for the absorption of the coenzyme coQ10 from the diet, from your digestive system. So that is why this is a fat soluble, which that is responsible due to the absorption from the digestive system. So in this way, the environmental toxin is the pesticides, heavy metals like mercury and lead, and the air pollution, UV radiation, which that will lead to responsible to decline the coenzyme coQ10 with the passage of time, with the passage of age. So it can be reversed, and also coenzyme coQ10 can reverse the aging. How it is possible? Because it can decline due to the age. So whenever you will increase the coenzyme coQ10 in your body via a supplementation, so ultimately and definitely decrease the age. So genetic factor also important, like the inherited mitochondrial disorder and the coenzyme coQ10 deficiency syndrome. This is the genetic, while the other factor is the oxidative stress, inflammation, mito dysfunction, and the vitamin deficiency like the vitamin B6 and B12 and the C, which that is important for the maintenance and the antioxidation process also, but also the maintenance of the coenzyme coQ10. Hormonal imbalance like the thyroid and the adrenal hormone, which that is important for the maintenance of the production of ATP due to the mitochondria, and in this way the decrease the basically thyroid gland dysfunction will lead to decrease the coenzyme coQ10. So anyhow, whenever with the passage of time you should consume the supplementation, which that I have described in the previous video. You can watch that to understand. See in the next video for this number, I hope you make sense about the coenzyme coQ10 decline with the age and how to reverse that for the reverse aging. If you are a new, please make sure to subscribe, like and share. We will understand more and more video about the health issue and how to correct that. Bye. Allah Hafiz.